anybody wanting to know how to pull the overhead console down in a 24 Raptor or probably F150 F250, this is how it goes, because I broke something. Alright, what's up, wheelers? That wasn't very energetic. I'll tell you what, it's freaking hot here in Oklahoma right now. I'm about to die. Just got back from a vacation overseas, and I think the jet lag is killing me. But while I was gone, my radio came in for the Raptor, and I got an ICOM 2730. I was like, where am I going to put this thing in the Raptor? So I got to looking. My buddy Trey over at Texas Raptor Runs, Comal truck, my bad. Brain's not working, so you guys will get to go for the ride in this. Send me a link to SwarfWorks, and they have a little adapter that'll allow you to put the radio up in this. I'm gonna spin this thing around and show you guys. It was kind of tough to get this out. Once I got it out, it made sense. But anybody wanting to know how to pull the overhead console down in a 24 Raptor or probably F150 F250, this is how it goes, because I broke something. All right, here's the unit down. As you can see, it has some massive retainer clips here, here, here. It also has, or had, one of these on this side. So my dumbass, I started pulling down towards the front windshield, when in fact, it should probably start towards the upfitter switches in this case, and drop them down, and then you can just detach all the wires. I used, ironically enough, I used these. They work great. I stuck them up in there, popped out those clips. I got them as close, you know, to the clip as possible and pushed down. It seemed to work. Sorry for the shitty video. It's the kind of mood I'm in today, though. So let's go look at this radio. Let's go look at this adapter, and let's look at this mount and see how we're going to do this, because this thing came with 0 instructions. So from SwarfWorks, I think it's Swarf. We'll look at the package, but it's gonna be a multi-day deal. It shouldn't take multiple days, but it's freaking hot. I think our heat index is 115, something like that. So I'm gonna do this in bits and pieces. But let's go look at all this cool stuff we got. Tesla's not one of them. I don't put that in the cool category. It's an unpopular opinion around here. But all right, 2730. SwarfWorks has this cool little piece right here that'll hold the head unit. And what I understand, I'm going to take out the sunglasses mount, which is a little bit disappointing because I'm actually probably one of the only 2 people in the world that use them. But here's what came with it. Let's figure it out. We'll learn and break some more stuff along the way. All right, I have tried prying that eyeglass deal out of there. I think I'm going to break it. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take all these screws out, see if that will make the outer ring a little bit more flexible. Maybe it'll pop right out. All right, guys, that was the ticket. So pulled that out, was able to pry that out. It was not easy. Had to be pretty forceful with it. So I'll put this thing back together right here and put the other piece in. Looks like the long screws that are in this kit probably go through these holes right here into these. So, and then the little bitty screws hold the faceplate on the back. So I'm gonna take care of that. I don't have a camera person, so I'll just show you guys here in a second. All right, so I've got it mounted. Be like that in the truck. Looks pretty good. Got everything out of the way. I can see not a hole for the wire to go through. So again, in the absence of instructions, I think we'll make a hole. See what happens. I'll sacrifice this. Everybody else can learn from this probable mistake. All right, here's the hole, approximately drilled. Haven't even tried it yet, but I'd let you guys see in case it works. I won't have to take it back apart. Let's see what happens. It worked out perfectly. So let me take a measurement real quick and tell you guys where the center of the hole is. And then I'll put the screws in and we'll at least put this back together, run the wires across the headliner, and I'll stop there before I pull down the A-pillar. All right, got it in. That hole served a nice purpose too, of shining a flashlight in there to get those screws aligned. Now the interesting thing is I just don't know how tight to make them. They're never gonna suck up completely tight, and it's starting to countersink a little bit, so I'm gonna stop there and hopefully not regret it. So I'm gonna go thread this thing back up in there and hook all the wires back up and see what it looks like. All right guys, there it is, it's installed. I've got the wires still hanging down, so judge me later, but that's what it looks like from this side. I think it looks pretty good. Let's go around to the driver's side. All right guys, here it is. It's installed. It looks great. I love where it's located. I'm going to put the microphone handset down there so that there's no wires up here. There is a spot on this 23A to put the mic up here, but I'm not going to do that. So not a lot of instructions, but I pulled it off, so it must be pretty intuitive without them. So they are currently sold out, but they were when I ordered it, and it just took a matter of probably 3 or 4 days. I got an email that said they were in stock, and I placed my order and got it. So it's a good, clean looking install. It's hot as blazes, but yeah, digging it. SwarfWorks. I'll put the link to the parts down below. Yeah guys, we'll see you next time. Peace.